Ethred Brokenbranch, also known as Sprigg, is an arcane trickster gnome. He once belonged to a group of adventurers who saw themselves as heroes, but tragedy struck when hobgoblins killed all of his companions, leaving Sprigg as the only survivor. Afterward, he isolated himself for 37 years in a small cottage, suffering from survivor's guilt. Sprigg was attuned to Ione after meeting with Vox Machina, and some of his memories were restored. When Vecna's assassins attacked, the party saved Sprigg, and Pike helped him pray to Ione. They discovered that Sprigg was the key to guide a plane shift spell through the divine gate to Ione in the endless Athenaeum. Ione saw in Sprigg the potential to redeem himself as a seeker of knowledge. After Scanlan completed Ione's challenge, Sprigg offered to help her in her recovery, and was allowed to stay with her as a steward.